Danke bafethu, sevele yaba wesa indaba. Cabanga ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs akhuluma noMokoko. Hhayi, ziyakhala la e-South Africa. Indoda ethrendayo-ke after ukudlala ne-Orlando Pirates, ithrenda ngoba bekuthiwa iyahlanya, yenza izinto esingazazi, esithusile bafethu. Kuyahlekwa la, kuhlekwa i-Orlando Pirates. Bheka nje ovuma, nanguNomatlowu naye usenzile le style sa-behind closed doors. Bathi akakhumule ilokhunjani ikepisi lakhe bambone kahle ngoba la e-South Africa I think bedayile just ukuthi adlale leya game leya. NanguNoLilepo uvela kancane laphana uyahleka. Uye uBafo niyambona bafethu. Hhayi inkinga of the problem le nto le. Sazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates izo-react-a kanjani because le nto le obviously iqalwa ama-fans kakhulu, yatrenda kakhulu. No-Josh Matlow wayenza-ke le, he walked like the guy, but obviously i-Orlando Pirates nayo yayiqala le nto lena overall. I remember isizini meyiqala kuthiwa abanye bayaflya abanye kuzoba nzima. Yeah, okunye esingakhuluma ngako lana bafethu, uLilepo laphana he made the team of the week for ama-player wonke waseCongo odlala from all over the world. Boma-Europe abaningi, but he made the squad sokuthi abadlali baseCongo abadlala around the world, uLilepo ukhona naye as abadlali abadlale kahle kakhulu this week. Hopefully-ke ama-performances wakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele waqhubeka eba-right, uzobuyela laphana ku-national team. Ngoba uke waba khona laphana ku-national team yaseCongo, yena noMokoko lo abamfonelayo laphana bake baba khona babawuthi sithembe ukuthi uzoqhubeka njalo adlale kahle, because I can see even nabantu abadlala e-UK, abanye abadlala some parts of the world, ama-good players laphana waseCongo. Good performance from uLilepo. Imagine akadlalanga ne-full 90 minutes, udlale 45 minutes nje kuphela, but he made the team of the week, which bayamrecognize kwela kubo. Obviously kuney'nkinga zakhe uLilepo. Is a good player overall ngihlezi ngisho, but-ke I think kumele afocus-e kakhulu naye njengoModi, afocus-e in terms of ukuthi azame ukushaya ama-assist than ukuthi acabange nje ukushaya mebhekane nepalo overall. But yeah, he's a good player for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo once waba in sync uLilepo waba right, ku-right, but wakwazi ukulungisa i-decision making yakhe laphana phambili ukuthi angashayi nje kuphela. I-Kaizer Chiefs izodla ngaye kakhulu yena noModi, because they're able to create ama-opportunities or ama-spaces, but decision making. But yeah, congratulations to him uLilepo making i-team of the week laphana eCongo. Kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi nakwela kubo ngale bayamvuma. They recognize what he did kwebholeni lase-South Africa or lase-Africa this week. So congratulations to him. Sithemba ukuthi le nto le izomnika i-motivation ukuthi aqhubeke njalo adlale ngokuzikhandla and then aphushe ngempela serious, adlale into serious, adeliver amagoli, but most importantly afocus kuma-assist, because akukho lula bafethu uvele ushaye nje middle of nowhere, yabo. But yeah, he's such a good player for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, they'll achieve a lot under him because he's super creative. Konke kulele kuye. Combination yakhe namanye ama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs very 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 important. Cabanga uMfundo Vilakazi laphana cutting, and then noLilepo abe close to eboxini, angahlali elayinini kakhulu, bazokwazi ukudla kakhulu ngaye. I mean, obviously created the goal lokuqala, i-shot, and then ugoalkeeper walibuyisa, and then wakwazi ukuliqedelela uLokhunjana Ighodaro, and then uVilakazi 2 assists. So abafana benza kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-qualify for i-CAF Confederations Cup group stages. Lebohang maboy, omunye simu-expect-ile bafethu ukuthi enze izinto zenzeke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba une-experience enkulu ebholeni nje overall. So we are waiting for him ukuthi naye abe right, akwazi ukudeliver week in and week out. But what I like is i-depth ye-squad, ukuthi baningi abantu abanga-contribute, baningi abantu abangadlala and give more to the team overall. So they don't even like i-pressure ayikho that much ukuthi from all coach, because bayazi ukuthi banama-players like a-different angakwazi ukudeliver anytime whenever they're given an opportunity to do so. Lawo ma-player lawa azokwazi ukudeliver. I wanna go to i-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphe i-statement lana online ku-website yabo, njengoba balokhunjana bazodlala ne-team laphana yase-Durban, right, which is i-Durban City. Nasi i-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Bathi-ke after ukuwina laphana 3-1, that eliminated i-team yase-Democratic Republic of Congo ama-opponents wabo Simba from this season's CAF Confederations Cup eDobsonville Stadium Sunday afternoon. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke progressile to ama-group stages of the continental competition, bathi-ke i-spirit ne-confidence e-Kaizer Chiefs high njengoba ba-prepare for i-next challenge yabo la bazodlala khona Friday ebusuku against i-Durban City ku-Betway Premiership. Imatch-ke lena-ke izodlalela laphana eMoses Mabhida Stadium. Ithi Kaizer Chiefs ithi this match promises fireworks on the pitch. Chiefs are currently fourth laphana kusho ukuthi number 4 laphana ku-league bana-16 points from ama-matches awu-9. They're just 1 point ahead of i-Durban City ehleli yona ku-number 5 ena-15 points from 10 games despite-ke ama-recent ukuthi ishayiwe laphana i-Durban City ithi Kaizer Chiefs despite recent exit from the Carling knockout. The KZN outfits have shown resilience and consistency in their league form. So ikhuluma i-Durban City siyazi ukuthi bayishayile laphana ku-Carling knockout bafethu babuya ku-disappointing results uGavin Hunt laphana but-ke ne-Kaizer Chiefs acknowledge ukuthi benza kahle kakhulu eligini. I mean considering the fact that babuya laphana ku-National First Division bafethu ukuthi bahlale la bahleli khona at this time of the season kuyasho ukuthi bano-coach o-right banama-player right overall. Yaqhubeka i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ithi le team yayaziwa nge-Maritzburg United before bayi-relegate laphana from i-Premiership few years back. Manje i-Durban City iletha ilokhu njani bring elite league experience, the technical depth under the guidance of a seasoned coach uGavin Hunt. Their transformation has been kusho ukuthi transformation yabo i-right kakhulu i-effective and ibenza baba ama-opponent aba-right for any side abadlala nalo. Bayaqhubeka bathi-ke amakhosi will be banking on their dynamic squad depth. Kusho ukuthi njengoba bane-squad esikhulu bathi-ke bathembe sona le squad ukuthi bane-depth right and obviously-ke babala nama-supporters bathi thousands of supporters aba-expected ukuthi bazovela laphana eThekwini bazokwazi ukusupport i-team ukuthi i-break i-streak sabo kusho ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina i-game njengoba bakwazanga ukuwina for 3 badrowe kawu-3 kulandelana laphana ku-Betway Premiership, so bafuna ukuqeda leyo nto leyo ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina. And then bamenshine ulo Igataro noVelebayi noLebohang Maboy laphana bathi already sebadlalile ama-matches wabo okuqala ba-eda i-fresh energy ne-versatility laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs e-teamini overall. Babala ko-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs bathi uKhalil Ben Yusuf noCedric bazoba nama-options ne-wealth of options laphana aime ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola i-3 points overall. Yabo ukuthi le match le serious kangakanani ne-Kaizer Chiefs acknowledge ukuthi le game leni ibalulekile and then kumele bathathe izinto serious ngempela kule game le ba-make sure ukuthi bayabuya nawo ama-results which is i-3 points. Into enye abayi-mentionayo ebalulekile ukuthi bathi they will be banking on i-experience yabo laphana overall for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Sazi ukuthi imaphi ama-players obuya imaphi angeke adlale cause man oSilva baqalanga obvious ne-season angazi bathi uSilva uke wathinteka naye ejimini, I don't know, can't remember isitori sakhe. oSilva, Gaston Sirino, Inacio Miguel ukuthi bona bakuphi mentally ukuthi bazokwazi na ukulwela i-team because uGaston Sirino siyamazi ukuthi super talented but at times sifila ngathi akafuni ukudlala. Kunama-moments la umbukela khona ubona ukuthi hayi lo muntu akamiselanga-ke namhlanje ngathi wenzela i-team i-favor meyidlala laphana kanti-ke kumele a-fight, he must fight for the team, a-make sure ukuthi yena u-inspire ama-youngsters ukuthi akwazi ukuphusha. If yena uyi-leader, one of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs eteamini but-ke akaperform, inkinga leyo because ama-youngsters azo-inspire ubani laphana because yibo abantu abafana no-Gaston Sirino kumele bakwazi u-inspire ama-youngsters. So bona ukuthi uVilakazi bazokwazi ukumqalisa igame. I think ku-important ukuthi aphinde aqale futhi igame ukuthola i-confidence yakhe, ukubuild i-confidence from the previous performance. And I think it's important to note that noVilakazi bedlala lawo ma-game but bengadlali lonke. I don't think ama-coach bewane-plan elisolid for uVilakazi bafowethu. Why ngisho kanje? uVilakazi bamyeka bamdedela waya laphana ku-under 20 babe bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi bazodlala ama-matches a-important, so wahamba uVilakazi waya ku-under 20 even ku-AFCON under 20 wahamba wayodlala khona but-ke i-team ngapha beyibhizi idlala ama-crucial games okuvezayo ukuthi Kusho ukuthi naye basamthatha njengomuntu osadevelopha, abangeke bamnike game time kakhulu. But-ke after i-public outcry from ama-fans nabantu aba-different kukhulunywa ngayo uVilakazi, maybe-ke izinto sezishintshile noma izinto zizotshentsha laphana for uVilakazi, 'cause babonile ama-performances wakhe ukuthi a-good laphana. Banking on i-experience, sometimes you just have to bank on ithalente lama-player ukuthi okay, you have talented players, you can use lelo talente lelo overall. Singakhohlwa-ke bafowethu ukuthi ilokhunjani i-Kaizer Chiefs ilwela i-36 million rands laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Mayikwazi ukuyiwina, mayingakwazi ukuya all the way, ayikwazi ukuyiwina, izowina 36 million rands. Ngapha njengoba iqualify kuma-group stages bafowethu, i-guaranteed around 7 million rands depending on ilokhunjani i-current exchange rate because of imali yakhona ngathi ngama-US dollars. But already ba-guaranteed imali e-right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Abafana nje kulele kubo ukuthi bakwazi ukumisela, bakwazi nokudeliver for i-team overall. Danke bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simeke sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.